Hi, I've seen many reviews of the Wilson footballs, but the thing that they don't tend to mention is the fact that the Wilson football is an industry standard. When I was in Pee Wee, I used Wilson footballs. When I was in high school football, I used Wilson footballs. And when I went to college and played football, go Rams, we also use Wilson footballs because the Wilson football is the official football of all the divisions: Pee Wee, high school, NCAA, and NFL, as well as the official football of the Super Bowl. So they know something about making good footballs, and that is what's important about Wilson football, right? This is the MVP line. Let me show you how well made it is. They lace it up. This has a classical look without the lines, right? They have all kinds of different footballs that they make. This was my son's and he grew out of it. But in this house, there's many different footballs. You see, we always have footballs here. You see, we have these footballs here. And it's very important that they, with their age, the football size changes. So when you want to gift one of these footballs, make sure that you understand what size the person that you want to gift this ball to, what size ball they require. Specialists like quarterbacks and punters, they've developed relationships with their football. So some of these footballs become their favorite football. Out of a bag of, any team will have a bag of 12, 20 footballs, right? And some are game balls. So Wilson football is always the game ball and is well taken care of. It's polished. They keep the leather supple, and this look. This is the brand new look of the ball, right? But this will soften up, and it will have its own personality. Every football, especially the ones that are made out of leather, will have its own personality. So these footballs are industry standard for a reason, because through the test of time, they have there's always other footballs that come in and go, but through the test of time, this has remained industry standard. So if you want to give a gift for a good football fan, this is the brand that you want to give, in whatever variation that you want to get. But Wilson is the brand, and that's the brand that I've used all my life. So enjoy.